Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so excited you're here today. If you've ever been on the hunt for an eyeliner that promises bold color, a matte finish, and staying power, then today's review is for you. We're diving into the Kiko Milano Intense Color Long-Lasting Eyeliner in shade 16 Black. This pencil eyeliner claims to deliver a rich matte black finish with medium coverage that lasts all day. If you're someone who loves the precision of a pencil but needs the endurance of a liquid liner, this one might be worth looking into. It's designed to glide on smoothly and provide intense color payoff without needing constant reapplication. Sounds promising, right? Now let's break down what this eyeliner really offers. The Kiko Milano Intense Color Eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form, which is perfect for creating both thin and bold lines. The texture is soft, yet firm enough to give you control without tugging at the skin. It's also dermatologically tested, which is great for those with sensitive eyes, and I'd say it's especially good for anyone who struggles with smudging or fading throughout the day. I've been testing this eyeliner for the past few days, and let me tell you, it definitely holds up in real-world scenarios. Whether you're using it for a day at the office or a night out, the intensity of the black color remains consistent without fading or smudging. Definitely a win in my book. The pencil is easy to sharpen, and you won't find yourself frustrated by a blunt tip halfway through your application. I've also worn it through a couple of rain showers and had minimal smudging around my waterline, which is usually a big issue for me. However, I will say that, while the matte finish is stunning, the product does require a bit of patience if you're trying to layer it for an ultra-intense black. The coverage is medium, which is perfect for those who like a more natural look, but if you're seeking an ultra-bold line, you might have to go over it a few times to get the intensity you're looking for. It's not as creamy as some other pencil liners, which makes it harder to smudge for a smoky eye. Something to consider if that's your go-to style. Now let's talk value. Priced reasonably, this Kiko Milano eyeliner sits comfortably in the middle of the market. You're getting solid performance for your money, and the product delivers exactly what it promises. You won't have to break the bank for a liner that holds up throughout your busy day, making it a great option for both budget-conscious shoppers and beauty enthusiasts. If we're comparing this to other eyeliners on the market, I'd say Kiko Milano holds its own. For a similar price, you could opt for a drugstore brand, but this eyeliner gives you the kind of wear you'd expect from something more expensive. It's got staying power, decent pigment, and good buildability. If you're someone who prefers a pencil over a gel or liquid, this one is definitely a great pick. As for build quality, the pencil construction is solid. It doesn't feel cheap in hand, and the cap stays securely in place, which is a small but important detail. I do wish there was a built-in sharpener though, as some users might find themselves needing one after a few uses. If you're someone who's super particular about customer service, Kiko Milano is generally pretty responsive to inquiries, and I've found their online store to be easy to navigate. While I haven't had to contact them personally, their reputation is strong for being helpful when customers need it. Looking for alternatives? There are certainly other liners that compare to Kiko Milano, especially from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which offer similar matte black pencils. However, if you're willing to spend just a little more for a slightly longer lasting effect, I think this eyeliner does just the trick. To wrap it up, the Kiko Milano Intense Color Long-Lasting Eyeliner is a solid choice for those looking for a pencil liner that won't quit on you. It's smooth, long-lasting, and provides a rich, matte finish that stays true throughout the day. For those who need a reliable eyeliner in their beauty kit, this one gets a thumbs up from me. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any more honest reviews. And if you've tried this eyeliner, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.